Yeah, so I think we really need to be pragmatic on there, and primarily not only pragmatic from OEMs or suppliers, but maybe from a government perspective also, right? Because I think one thing we have to understand, I think definitely after COVID, after globalization, it is more of a regionalization area, right, where every OEM or supplier is looking forward to. But still, I think there are a lot of things which as a country, as a OEM or as a supplier, we really need to import from China, right? So, and I think a business and somewhere politics should not be mixed, right? And hopefully, I think next year we may see some better policies out there, because I think right now. Because I think we are a country where we don't have too much on the technology front right now, but definitely I think OEMs or suppliers are looking forward to investments, right, going forward. But I think yes, this kind of a disruption in terms of supply chain will continue for maybe few more months. But and specifically, I think we have to agree that we are living in a VUCA world today, which means there are a lot of uncertainties. Like nobody knows, about whether really the car sales will be what, even half of what we are selling today, right, next year, if anything goes bad, even after vaccination. So I think we are clearly in a volatile scenario. So the demand pattern, the consumer patterns are going to be changed. They are going to be very, very, we are going to be in very fluidic situation. And in case if there is any such concern like at the customs, or if the supply chain is not seamless, then obviously everybody in industry will bear the loss because of it. So it may be consumers, so maybe the OEMs will increase the prices, so consumer may have to bear that loss, right? So some OEMs may really lose on market share, if their dependency is too much on certain country or certain market. So I think depending upon exactly so but I think OEMs will try to follow a more risk a less risk approach in their sourcing going forward, and they're not going to depend on certain markets. I think that is very clear, and maybe localization or indigenization would be the key. I think the companies who are really working on technologies, I think they will be the real big gainers out there, because if you really want the skill to get incorporated in the employees of suppliers or OEMs, I think they have to invest. So definitely, I think maybe platform like yours, or maybe the companies who are giving a kind of technological or skill training, I think that they are really going to gain out of it. And we are going to see a lot of partnerships being coming forward, because now you really can't now the times are gone when you really used to make partnership by choice, right? So now we'll be seeing some kind of forced partnerships. I think one almost from a big OEM in India. Maybe next 2 3 months you will hear something around that yes, the big OEM is merging with those big OEMs. So I think this, so partnership is really not by choice today. So I think things are changing very fast in auto industry as well as in India, and maybe I think let's see how it goes. Yeah.